When it comes to the best wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. Reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated and the factories only use process that have been proven to be safe. With such wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These spacers are continuously pressed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any priority and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exclusive and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the BONOSS wheel spacers is the lightweight plus and the FT cooling. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce the weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as accelerators which tremendously energy the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum wheel spacers are excellent candidates for the black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing ensures complete protection against the corrosion. The oxidized layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be a light first. This means that anodized wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.